Hi there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thank you for joining me today. Today's project is a card featuring the Whimsy and Wonder suite from the Stampin' Up mini catalogue. Now that suite is on pages 24 and 25 of the catalogue. Here it is here, and it features these great stamps and awesome dies and this amazing paper, this designer series paper, which is the Whimsy and Wonder specialty designer series paper. Now, honestly, the catalogue does not do it justice. This paper it's just spectacular, and it's going to form the basis of, it's the main focal point of today's card. So this is the card we're going to make. It's pretty simple, and it just uses a piece of that fabulous paper. Isn't it gorgeous? And then on a little bit of stamping on the inside as well. So these are the supplies you're going to need. I've used a piece of Blushing Bride cardstock, cut lengthways, and then just scored and folded in half, scored in half I should say. A piece of this beautiful designer series paper. Can you catch it's got foil in there, it's just gorgeous. And I just cut sort of a half a centimetre off each side just to give that nice border. And you'll also need another piece for the inside, piece of basic white for the inside stamping. Yeah, and then a scrap of mint macaron and basic white for the die cutting. So the die cutting we're doing is these little trees and these cute little, I guess it's like the tinsel or decoration on the tree. I've gone ahead and done one already, just so that I can, but I'm going to show you how I cut those ones out. And then a little bit of stamping here for the sentiment and as well. So let's bring in the mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine and die cut these two pieces. So here it is here. Turn it around the right way, that'll probably help. I'm going to use my basic white first, and I'm going to cut out the tree shape. Okay, that's the tree. And there are coordinating stamps for these trees as well, but I'm just going with the white today. And then I'm going to cut out this one here, this die, which is the decoration for the tree. Oops. There we are. Just pop that one out of the way. Okay, that's it. So before we go any further, I'll just go ahead and adhere that with some Tombow. Doesn't need much, just a little bit of glue on this, but adhesive on this one. You don't want it, maybe a little bit there. That's why I use my silicone mat when I'm adhering particularly liquid glue. And there it is. So we'll pop that to one side to dry. And let's get on and do our stamping now. So our stamping is the sentiment here and then inside here. So I'm using Polished Pink, Misty Moonlight and Mint Macaron for the stamping. So let's get organised. And I'm just using the one stamp, this one here. That stamp right there. Okay, so let's start with our Polished Pink. And I'm just going to go to the top. I'm going to do them all slightly different lengths. I'm just coming to the side here and cleaning my stamp in between each one. Leave that one out because I'm going to use the polished pink again. I'm going to use Misty Moonlight next. And I'm going to come up a little bit high with that one. And we'll keep that one out because I will use it again. Mint Macaron next. There. That's all we'll need the Mint Macaron for. And come back with our polished pink. I love this pink. I know I've said it before, but I really do love this pink. And then just a little touch of the Misty Moonlight on the edges there. There we go. There we are. Perfect. Now you can obviously put a sentiment on there if you want to, but stamp the sentiment for the front. I've cut out a piece of basic white there, just using the Stitch So Sweetly dies actually. Let's put this little sentiment on, just make sure I got that straight. Go. Close up those ink pads because bad things can happen if you leave ink pads open, she says, from experience. All right, let's pop this on the front. So like I said, this designer series paper really is the star of the show here. It's just beautiful, and there's really no piece, and sometimes with our designer series paper it's double-sided, so if you perhaps don't like one side, the other side is going to be good. But all parts of this, that's the Misty Moonlight on the back there, every piece of this designer series paper I absolutely love. So but this one, look at the cute little deer face. Oh, so pretty. So I'm just positioning it sort of more to the bottom, and then our little trees. It's a really easy card to make. On there. This one down here. You could use the silver foil also for that decoration on the tree. It would be pretty because this has got silver foil in the designer series paper. That would look really pretty too. Let's put it together. Let's put it together. I'm going to use my Tombow. And then for the middle, the inside piece I should say, and Blushing Bride is another one of the colours that are in this designer series paper. It's Blushing Bride, Mint Macaron, Misty Moonlight, polished pink. Very pretty. And then this one goes in here. And there you have it. It's a, oops. Oh. Went the wrong way. Lucky save. Don't do that. Make sure you put it up the right way. Oh dear. Oh well. It wouldn't have been too bad. I would have just had to re-stamp it. That's funny. Yes, so just make sure you've got your stamped images in the right place before you adhere it. And there you have it. There you go. Very easy, very simple card to make. featuring the Whimsy and Wonder stamp set and that beautiful Whimsy and Wonder Designer Series paper. I have put a link to all the products I've used in the description bar below. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact me, stampingmary@gmail.com. And if you like this video, I would be thrilled if you would subscribe to my Stampin' Up channel. Thank you very much. Bye.